Uprising.
Money, ching ching. Winner, chicken dinner. 10 questions in 60 seconds, 7 more correct answers. You walk away with 1,000 rand. Your last answer is your final answer. None must wait move Sibuza wana. Kazuguchi got it wrong the first time round. Munga Zwanga, uti repeat Mungaya's answer, uti pass. The clock goes tick, tock, ticky to talk, as we go to Peter Marisburg Pezulu, a handly dam, so come on, Tilapa. Uminentre Makaya, your namesake, Mini.
I hear that.
And
that's why I'm going through the questions right now, and I'm just changing a couple of them. Just so Uminentle has an easier ride.
La, because obviously...
You know, get check here, Mabizo. But Dila now, I'm just changing. So I've changed question 4. And let me change. Lalela Mabizo. Dekadlale labantu lab. Wathi challenge left futhi na ibelula. Oh, this is nice. Lalela, ngifuna ukuhamba naso sofe ukulehlana. Angaze ngidlale nomuntu ekuthiwa Felix. But many is something I'd love to play with. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, let's go. Mabizo, who is the coach of the Springboks?
Rassi Erasmus.
Lovely. What does Ukuthatha ngozwane mean?
Pass.
Complete the Zulu proverb. Ukuhamba lufuze. Ukhamba lufuze, sorry.
Ukhamba lufuze.
Lovely. Which South African actor plays Rafiki in Lion King?
Pass.
True or false? A cow has 4 stomachs.
Come again?
A cow has 4 stomachs. True or false?
False.
Who denied Jesus 3 times?
Pass.
In which year was the pop icon Brenda Fassie born in?
Pass.
What is the name of the largest game reserve in KZN?
Kruger National Park.
What does the acronym ETA stand for?
Estimated time arrival.
Spell commentator.
Commentator.
Who denied Jesus 3 times?
Pass.
Ukuthatha ngozwane, what does it mean? Usuka wenzani? Try again. Essentially, guys, he's right, because when you do this thing, it's like so I think you're right, because it means to steal the mukchoncha. So vele mawuntshontsha wenza njani mina uhamba kancane yabo.
Unaccepted.
Like when I want to skip eskichimayi. Oh, it's supposed
Yes.
Okay.
Flips.
Yeah. All right, he's the coach of the Springboks, Rassi Erasmus. What does Ukuthatha ngozwane mean? To steal noma ukutshontsha. All right, ukhamba lufuze imbiza. You got that one correct. Which South African actor was Rafiki in Lion King? In fact, there was many of them that were Rafiki, but Dr. John Kani is one of them. So I could have taken any answer. Okay. And then, true or false? A cow has 4 stomachs. True. Who denied Jesus 3 times? It's Peter. In which year was the pop icon Brenda Fassie born? In 1964 is the answer. And then what is the name of the largest game reserve in KZN? Hluhluwum follows a game reserve. And then what does the acronym ETA stand for? Estimated time of arrival. Spell commentator COMMENTATOR. Mabizo, I am so sorry. Better like next time, ne?
12-4.
Asikho isidingo sokucacisa sengishithi sorry.
Yeah. All right, Minette, thank you so much for playing with us, yeah?
No bond.
Okay, so 8 o'clock.
The Grand Quiz.
Grand Quiz.
On the Uprising.